fried chicken drumsticks.
Five to 6 chicken leg pieces. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 2 tsps of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin zira powder and coriander powder. 1 tsp of dog ghee curd. 1 lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. 2 pinches of red food color. 1 teaspoon of oil. Take a mixing bowl and add 5 to 6 chicken leg pieces. Add 2 tsps of ginger garlic paste. Add salt as per taste. Add 1 tsp of red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin, coriander powder. Add 1 lemon juice. Add 1 tsp of curd dahi. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Add 2 pinches of red food color. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix them well. Coat all species nicely to leg pieces. Marination is done. Marinate and rest it for 2 hours. Hit dye and add 2 tsps of oil. Place all chicken leg pieces. Fry on low to medium flame. Stir fry. Cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove lid and flip leg pieces. Stir in between. Cover and fry for more 10 to 12 minutes. Remove lid and roast it well. Chicken leg pieces are fried well. Juicy and soft chicken leg pieces are fried well. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Turn off flame. Leg pieces are done. Juicy and tender fried chicken drumsticks are ready to serve. Enjoy it as a starter or with roti, naan, rumali roti. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.